Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi. Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes. It's Saturday. Our weekend is underway, and it's been billed as the best weekend of the summer season. I really don't see any reason to change that idea. You probably woke up to this morning to some really delightful weather conditions. The humidity is low. Most areas have deep blue skies. There are a couple of patchy clouds here and there. But other than that, I think we're going to be dry and nice right into Monday. Yesterday, we had a couple of pop up storms. They were isolated in nature. That had to do with the fact that the air aloft is very cold and unstable, and you get the strong August sun working on that. It caused a couple of pop ups to happen. You get an air mass like this deeper in September, that usually doesn't occur. I don't think we're going to see that today. There's an outside chance, maybe way up in upstate New York and into New England, that you might see a couple of pop ups. But I think for the vast majority, if not everybody, it should be okay. So we're going to take a look at the satellite, and you can see the clear skies throughout much of southern and southeastern New England, down through New Jersey and through most of Pennsylvania. Now, there are some high clouds that are streaming across from northwest to southeast Pennsylvania, down into Delaware, southern New Jersey, and into Maryland. We're just sort of waiting for this dry air to push further south, which it's going to do. You can also see the cloud rotation up in southeastern Canada. So that is that north, that strong upper air jet stream flow just continuing. And in this area here is where we have rather cold, unstable air, which causes clouds to bubble up and the scattered showers and sometimes even a couple of thunderstorms. But again, that's going to be way up to the north. I think this area here today is in pretty good shape, if not excellent shape, with all the dry air that's around. And we are talking dry air when you check out the uh, temperatures and dew points, for example. Now, this is coming up around 10 a.m. Today, and we're looking at temperatures that are in the upper 60s and low 70s. And more importantly, it's those dew points which have dropped down into the 50s. The wider the difference between the temperature and the dew point, the drier the air, the lower the relative humidity. And those 50 dew points, which are just delightful this time of year, have dropped down all the way into central and even southern Virginia. So that's how far this dry air has penetrated. And we see all these 50 dew points just covering New England, the Northeast, and into the northern mid-Atlantic states through Sunday night. So we are looking just absolutely terrific as far as the weather is going forward. Now, with respect to the full U.S. satellite view, just want to show you what's happening here with this flow. We're protected in this northwest flow. We've got the next area of low pressure that's going to be coming out to the east, but it's not going to get here until Tuesday. So all of the action as far as showers and storms are concerned will be out in the plains today, and also going to see some action down across the lower Tennessee Valley and the usual scattered pop-up stuff that shows up from the Carolinas down to Florida. But beyond that, there really isn't much happening. So forecast-wise, as we take a look at the weather going forward, the jet stream pattern is going to change again. The troughs pull out, the next one drops in, and here we are at Tuesday. We still have this flow that's coming down out of Canada. We've been talking about the fact that this jet stream just continues to buckle back and forth. When it buckles north, we turn very warm and humid. When it buckles to the south, we wind up back in some of the drier, cooler air. And this, I think, is probably the strongest push of drier air. So for the rest, let's take you just through the rest of the weekend. We've got high pressure built in. That means sunshine during the day, clear skies for the most part, other than some patchy clouds every once in a while. Clear skies tonight. 50s to near 60 will be the low. Even lows, even the warmer urban centers like New York, Newark, Philadelphia, down to Washington, D.C., Baltimore, we'll see temperatures down near or just over the 60-degree mark. And that is Really nice. Air conditioners off, windows open, lots of sunshine for Sunday. Monday, we're going to start to see the humidity begin to come back later in the day as the high moves offshore. And here comes the next wave that's going to be going by to our north with a cold front approaching here for late Tuesday. I think in the transition, we might see a shower or a thunderstorm late Monday night into Tuesday morning, and then the threat for perhaps some heavier showers and thunderstorms later in the day on Tuesday. And the possibility exists that there could be maybe a severe weather threat. This system is no different than any of the other systems that we've been dealing with over the last 6 weeks. So enjoy your weekend. Thanks for being here today on Weather in 5. Take advantage. Low humidity, sunshine, temperatures just into the 80s. Doesn't happen too often during the first 10 days of, well, actually, yeah, today's the 10th of August, during the first 10 or 11 days of the month of August.